So before we get started with our binary necklace video, we have a guest with us today from Eaton, Jennifer Knoll, who is the HR manager at Eaton here in Olean. Welcome, Jennifer.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Oh, you're very welcome. I just thought maybe you could tell us a little bit about what is coding?
Sure, I can try my best for not being an engineer, but basically I like to explain it as when you're at the arcade and there's a claw machine. You know that claw machine that you try to pick up a prize, whatever stuffed animal you want?
Right.
Right, so you have to press the buttons to move the claw. When you have to press the button, once you have it right in that position you want it, you have to press it so that you hopefully get that toy. And if you think about how does the buttons know where to go when you're pressing them? And there's a computer in there, and somebody has to program that computer using a language called binary or coding. And so that language is telling the computer what to do as you press that button. And here in manufacturing at our site, and as well as many manufacturers across the world, we need programmers to program the computers that will then operate pieces of our machinery. So we have robots here on site, and the robot will move our product from one piece of the equipment to another piece of the equipment, and that has to be programmed by somebody for the computer to know what to do.
Well, and that's something often that seems to be a misconception, is that robotics and automation will take jobs away, but actually you're going to need different types of jobs, correct?
Yes, that's correct. So we will always need somebody here on site to be a programmer. We actually have what's called a senior controls engineer. There's many different positions that you can have and be able to program or fix different programs. I think even a lot of electricians learn about coding and binary, but we also need operators to, press that button on that computer, make sure it's moving correctly and doing the setups on the machines. But a lot of different roles we'll still have.